everyone!
Hey.
Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not,
Subscribe now.
click the link below. You're not going to want to miss it. We're going, Sean. Okay, so I've got to go find some stuff for a client. So we're going to head out. We've got a bunch of stuff to donate at the thrift store. So we're going to check there because they usually have that stuff. And what are you looking for?
I'm looking for stuff to make my own YouTube channel. I'm going to start one.
She's starting a YouTube channel. So what are you looking for?
Stuff to make YouTube channel, like to hold my iPad.
So like camera stands and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Which we find a lot at the thrift store. So we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna go Junkin.
Junkin is the country.
We're gonna go to a thrift store. That's not much of the country. We have the All City Garage Sale coming up this week, so we're not gonna buy too much stuff because we will be junk in the country, and those prices are amazing. And if you haven't seen last year's All City Garage Sale, click the description in the cards and we will film all of that. So you're gonna see all the goodness. And my mother-in-law is coming back. We didn't scare her last year. She says she wants to go with us, so we'll see. I'll be waking you up at the butt crack of dawn again, Nancy. They sales start really early. They start at 7 o'clock in the morning, so we gotta get up at 6. I gotta get ready. I gotta get these two up and we'll be on the road. But right now, let's go pick for my clients.
And I am a late sleeper,
Yeah.
so
Well, you're gonna be an early bedtime girl this week.
yeah. This, and this.
Okay, we are big pothole. We are driving into the donation center. This one has a drive-through donation. It's pretty awesome. There we go. We're gonna drive through.
You didn't go for that though.
Breaking the law, breaking the law. Automatic door. Look at that. Sweet. And the best part about this particular thrift store is they give you coupons
When you donate.
when you donate. So we're gonna go in and check it out. See what
We're
we
not
can find.
buckled. I feel unsafe.
We are not buckled. That's okay because we're just parking right here.
I feel unsafe. We could just drive over the curb and then flip over.
Grab a cart. Well, that's just wild entertainment. Alright, let's shop. What? A Christmas tree? What? Yep, go look, have fun. Okay, so I didn't find what I needed to for my client, but I did find ironstone. And I got a bunch of other stuff. Let's get out of here.
I got
Wow. Well,
pipe cleaner things. I got containers. And then I got this bottle to squeeze my activator into the slime.
yeah, I gotta have that slime activator.
And then I got a receipt. That's it. That I have in my bag. Ow!
I got some stuff I'm gonna toss up on Etsy, including a wind-up clock, an old metal wind-up clock that still works. Yay! I'm gonna make sure that it's not losing any minutes. And that the alarm actually works before I list it. But let's show you what we got. Well, you already saw what she got, but that was all me. So thanks for watching, everyone.
If you like this video, smash that subscribe button.
Please give it a thumbs up.
And smash that subscribe button.
You always forget to say thumbs up, but we always appreciate the comments. Hi to our new subscribers. We appreciate you being here. Hi. Thanks for coming back week after week and spending time with us while we go junkin'. Don't forget, next week, all city. I am so stinking excited. My list for this sale is getting like, it's as long as my arm of stuff I'm looking for. So I'm so excited to go on this sale. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Peace out.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.